All right, guys, so I'm down here at Andrew Walker's shop here, and man, he just got done media blasting Jesse's rims, and boy, do they look nice. I'm gonna let him kind of give a spiel on what all it is he does, and Mr. Andrew, tell us about this place.
Appreciate it. Well, in these, they were nasty, so we went ahead and removed the valve stem and all the weights, just so everything was nice and clean. Okay. And then went in with just fine crushed glass media and cleaned them up about probably about 70 psi. Clean them up real good, get all the pits and nooks and crannies and all the stuff deep down in, and finish them up, and they'll look real sharp once you get them back in.
Oh, heck yeah, man. I tell you guys, whenever I got in here and I seen them, I was like, man, they look good. He done a good job. Andrew actually done the media blasting on my dad's hood on his truck and stuff, and man, you done a good job on that thing too. I mean, man, you really did. And I tell y'all, I've had blasting done at different places and stuff, and what normally happens is you take parts and stuff, and you know, guys want to get it done as quickly as possible. They'll blow out holes and stuff, but man, Andrew, everything he's done has been spot on, and we definitely appreciate it because it helps us out, the guys that's building stuff or having to put body filler in or weld stuff back in, that sort of thing. It helps out when you guys can keep more of it together, and man, that's awesome. But we're gonna go around and we'll show you guys some of Andrew's stuff here, and man, got some cool stuff to show y'all. All right, Mr. Andrew, man, tell me what's behind you here and what all you can do.
This is my mobile blast trailer, 185 CFM compressor, 200-pound media pot, been all the way up to White Top and down in Knoxville. So, and then it's good for the mobile side. So if you have a car with the engine out, you gotta winch it up on the trailer, put it on the trailer, drive it across town. With this, I can come straight to you within reason, you know, about a 100-mile radius. But anything you got, frames, if you don't want to load the frame up and take it with you, I can come out to you and get your frame cleaned up, engine bays, whole cars, tractor trailers, pretty much anything you got. And then also too, if you have smaller items like single wheels or a set of wheels, doors, you can bring them to me. I got a shop, we can get you set up and get you taken care of.
Man, that is awesome, man. I tell you, when Jesse first told me that you guys were mobile, I didn't realize that. I thought it was just one of those deals where you bring it to you out and stuff, but man, I think you got the market cornered right here and being able to go to people and do bigger jobs or smaller jobs, and especially when it comes like some of these bodies and stuff for hot rodding guys, when they can't, sometimes they pull them apart, they can't get them on a trailer and bring it to people, where if you can go to them, man, it works out great for them.
Or they got a bunch of pieces and parts and don't have a truck, or their truck's being used elsewhere, I can come out and take care of it. All my media is restoration grade. The main one I use is crushed glass, very fine crushed glass on body panels. That's what I used on your dad's hood.
Okay.
That's what I used on, you know, recent fenders and doors and things that I've done.
Okay.
And then for the industrial side, you can get a more aggressive, harder media.
Okay.
So I can take care of pretty much whatever you got, especially, and then if you need glass bead, I can run glass bead if you want to smooth something up real nice. But yeah, just give me a call, and whatever you have, we'll get you taken care of.
Man, that's awesome. Well, Andrew, brother, I'm going to get out of your hair, and I appreciate you for helping us out here at Jesse's Wheels and stuff. And man, you've done an awesome job. We appreciate you, brother.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, I wanted to show y'all a bunch of different examples that Andrew sent me of what all he can do. You know, blasting of Jesse's rims, that's just the start of what all him and his machine can make happen for you guys. So definitely hope you guys enjoy this. I throw a lot of stuff in here, and sit back and enjoy. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Man, check out these rallies right here. They look absolutely awesome. Andrew at Clean Slate Restoration done an awesome job on these things. I cannot thank him enough. He handed us a bunch of business cards and pamphlets and handouts and different stuff like that we'll have set up at the Hoopty Kings car show and stuff. So like when Jesse and I go to events and stuff, we'll set some of this stuff up out there. That way you guys can see it. And definitely, if you're a local, man, check him out. He even does traveling stuff as well. So I think that's a huge thing as well, because his system is mobile, and that is awesome. And he does more than just automotive stuff as well. He does pools, he does concrete stuff, all that sort of thing. So it's really cool, some of the stuff that he can do. Again, thank you, Andrew. Appreciate you. In the next episode that you guys see, we'll be going down to Tim Armstrong's business down in Jonesboro at your convenience on-site oil services. He's going to be helping us out. We're getting a new set of meats on this thing, and we'll be talking about what all his business can do. And guys, I tell you, man, I think this is awesome. I think this is something that's really cool, that, you know, that we're getting involved with the community, what different business owners can do, and we're showing you guys what they can do, and we're showing you right here on this car, and I think that's awesome. But that'll do it for this one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers, it's not even funny. I think we're like at 1,970. I can see a huge difference on people subscribing to the channel. So again, thank you all so much. That is awesome. It helps us out. It helps us do more stuff like this. It helps us get help from other businesses and stuff, just by people being able to see us. And again, thank y'all. We appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next one.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KilmerSports.com, where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high performance products as well. And definitely a big shout out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.